Hello and welcome back to our new video. In this video I'll show you how to reset, and in this video I'll show you how to recover your Candy Crush Saga account. For that, just open your app, and now what you need to do is tap on your my account button and tap on change password and tap on forgot your password option. There you have to enter your email address and tap on reset password, and they will send you a reset link or a code, and if it is code, paste it over here, and if it is link, tap on that link and they will take you to a website from where you can reset your password. And if you have some other kind of issues, go to this setting button, and if you have any other problems and if you have any other issues that you want help from Candy Crush, tap on this setting button and account and help and tap on help center, and you have to enter your and you have to tap on this search button and you have to find your problem, and they will help you how to recover your account based on that. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.